Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Dell Inspiron 7380 laptop. The exact model for this one is an P83G002, and in this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up and how you can remove or upgrade the storage on this laptop, and what are the combination of the storage that you can have in here, or the types of the hard drives you can have. Just remember, by replacing the hard drive in there, you have to reinstall the Windows from the USB drive. I made a short video how to create your Windows 10 or 11 boot drive. Check that link in the video description. Also made another video how to install it properly on your Dell laptop. Watch any of my installation videos for Dell, and you can install it without having any of those bloatware, promotional programs like affiliated programs like antivirus, Candy Crush, and stuff like that. Install without having those in your computer. So watch those links in the video description in case you don't know how to install your Windows. In this video, I'm just going to take you on a step-by-step how to get to that storage and how to remove it. Alright, first thing first, power off, back up your files and power off the laptop. And then you want to flip it up over. You're going to go over the tool. Tool number one is screwdriver set. I fixed screwdriver sets are really handy to have around the house, on the shop. You're going to use a Phillips number one. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tool and some tweezers. If not, get the basic set. And for the opening tools, I'll be using a guitar pick. Alright, on the bottom of the laptop, there's a whole bunch of screws. We're going to remove all the screws except one. One has a little C-lock, is the one at the back mid. This one only you have to rotate and it will just stay there. It has a little C-lock that will prevent it from coming out. And so start removing all of them, including the one in the middle, and keep them in one pile as they are all the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. Appreciate that. Alright, I forgot the one in the middle. Now that we removed all that, we're going to grab the opening tool. I'm going to put a little workshop towel so it doesn't slip. And we are going to stick the guitar pick between the bottom cover and the pommers, just like that, about 2 or 3 millimeters. And then we're just going to twist it. And you're going to hear a big click sound. That's normal. Those are the clips are getting loose, so don't be scared. Do that all around in the front end. And then you want to work yourself towards the SD card reader. Don't go towards the HDMI port. Do it here this side and do the back corner. This one a little bit dropped it probably. This have a little dent in there. Alright, then you want to do by the fan here, exhaust right there, and then that's it. Now all you want to do, you want to put it face down, grab it from here and lift it up gently and push it towards the HDMI port so you can scoop this part out. If you lift it up from this side up, you can rip the jack for the HDMI or USB port. Right, now that we remove the bottom cover, let's put it to one side. And right here we can see that obviously there is no space for 2.5-inch mechanical drive, as there is absolutely zero space, or space for any SSD drives, 2.5-inch SSD drives, which are the same. Right. Next we are left with, you can see a 256 gig M.2 drive right in here. These are NVMe drive slot here, but they only, this is an NVMe here, but they have 2 notches on them. Don't know why, but yeah. You can put an up to 4 terabyte single-sided NVMe in here with no problem. We have upgraded for our client. Or you can put the reasonable one is a 2 terabyte 980 Pro. This is a 1 terabyte box, but you can put a 2 terabyte 980 Pro. These are really durable and they last you many years, and comparing to any cheap brands. So, or you can go with any other brand. And when I say 4 terabyte single-sided, I mean that the NVMe should not have anything on one side, and the chips and everything else has to be on one side. The only 4 terabyte NVMe that I see single-sided is a Crucial brand, but any 990 Pro is a 4-sided and 2-sided 4 terabyte. So any up to 2 terabyte 980 Pro, that's fine, but you can go any brand that you want. In this case, I have a Western Digital brand here, just for demonstration. And they have a Hynix 256 in here. Now, to remove the SSD, you don't need to disconnect the battery. It's absolutely not necessary to disconnect the battery. But for those people that are really paranoid, to disconnect the battery, you want to grab this gaffer's tape. You want to slide it towards yourself, towards the battery, and you can disconnect the battery. To put it back in, just align it in front and just pinch them together, and it goes to its place. To remove the SSD, remove one screw right at the back and put that screw to the side, and you can see the SSD right in there. Now we're gonna slide out this SSD right here, and these are really tiny ones. Now, if you want to put a bigger SSD in here, a longer standard size in here, you can just slide it in there all the way towards the jack, but you won't be able to, there's no screw hole. And the reason is, you're going to remove it again. Don't lift it up too much. You can break it in. You want to slide this riser towards the, let me put it like this, towards the jack, like that. And then you want to bring it towards the back side. And you want to put it right in there. Now, you can just put the SSD in there. I'll put the riser backward. The riser has to be flipped over like this and slide it in. So the screw hole stays in there. There we go. And you see, it perfectly matches. Now you can just put the screw right over. Right there. And there you go. And that's how you can upgrade the storage for you. There's no space for any other NVMe, only one slot available. And you can go up to 4 TB in case you want on a single sided. If you have disconnected the battery, plug it back in. Grab the bottom cover, align it right over. Push down the corners, make sure you do those nice click sounds. The back, the corners, and tighten up the one in the back mid. And to finish it off is to put the rest of the screws starting from one corner. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out to do your own upgrade. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment or try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just going to finish up putting up the bottom screws.